Hi there, welcome back to another Quick Win Wednesday. In this video we're going to talk about a carbon function that I ran into called closest and farthest. Basically comparing dates and checking out which one is the closest of the the closest to the date that we're comparing with, or the farthest. So let's dive into it. Alright, so we have this test command here, which is just a basic test command, and I have three dates pre-filled out here with create midnight date for the 1st of October, 1st of November, and 1st of December. And well, the idea here is that we compare one date, like date 1, and we compare it in the closest to date 2 or date 3. And this function is actually going to grab the closest one of those two compared to date 1. So gut feeling, this is going to be outputted as the 1st of November. So if we run this command here in warp, so php artisan app test command, I get the 1st of November. If we do the opposite thing, date 1 compared with the farthest between date 2 and date 3, so which one is the farthest compared to date 1? That would be the 1st of December. Let's run this command again. And indeed, whoops, I did not save the file, of course. Save the file and run that again. Of course, this is December. And this works in both ways. So if I take, for instance, date 2, and I compare it with date 1 and date 3, and I get the farthest, we're at this day of recording is the 18th of November. So the 18th, that should be the farthest, will be the 1st of October. There we go. Indeed, the 1st of October. And the closest one will be the 1st of November. So closest, like that. And if you run that again, we get, oh no, December is 18. Of course, 18 is closer to the 1st of December instead of the 1st of November. So basically, when we want to compare two dates to a given date, like getting the closest or the farthest one, and it works in both directions, we can just use those functions that are in there for us. It's a little trick. I don't use it that often, but it's in there, and I just wanted to show you guys how it worked. So I hope you learned something from this one. I will see you in one of the next videos. Take care. Bye bye.